and show to you Ermita. I will walk in the Ermita street, Malate Ermita. This is massage. And they asking about massage. Girls who... Yes, they outside. This is KTV. KTV? Pizza. Pizza. Aircon, not aircon. Excuse me, Kuya Pax, who is? Room for rent, room for billiard, 250 1 hour. Bar and rest. I order costume from Santa Claus. And we're going to McDonald's. Girls on massage. How are you? Maybe we will make video about him. Shaira very stressed because
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Friday night and we're here in Malate, Manila in Ermita. And later we're gonna take some video in Malate, Ermita. And we're here already in Robinson, Manila.
Shaira don't want to walk outside. She will stay in Robinson, maybe in coffee shop, drink coffee. And I walk alone. Alone, I not take phone, I know not take money, because I know sometimes not safety. And I walk around in Ermita, in this place. We go outside, Shaira said, I want to drink coffee in McDonald's. McDonald's only outside Robinson. Oh, so many people, take a look. Oh, Italian restaurant. Persian restaurant. Halal foods. I don't have people inside. Very few. So we're going to McDonald's. Shaira will wait in McDonald's. Shaira, I will find table, okay? So Shaira already bought iced coffee. Iced coffee or iced coffee chocolate, Shaira? Iced coffee chocolate. And I will walk around and show to you Ermita. I will walk in the Ermita street, Malate Ermita. I use microphone. Okay, Shaira. What? Not iced coffee? No, try. Not
Vanilla.
vanilla? So you want change? Okay.
Vanilla.
Okay, change. Shaira used my jacket because cold for her. Oh, change already. How you know if this for me? Taste because it's
And you can see here, if it's chocolate, it's brown here. But
of
if
course,
it's vanilla, it's white only. Like it's same like coffee only.
of
But
course,
you can taste
of course you work here. You know already how. Okay, Shaira, wait me. I not bring my phone. Only Apple Watch take.
that.
Okay. Okay, meet here. Thank you. Thank you. Now I see. This is massage. Massage girls sit always here. Okay, first I will walk to LA Cafe. We call it LA Cafe before. Now Midnight Cafe. Little bit dark, but it's okay. And as you can see, some of girls sit outside. And they asking about massage. Sir, massage. Of course it's not massage. It's only, you know what they want. This is area, so many girls who work in maybe KTV, bars. Also have massage place, also. Maybe professional massage. Also have, because, but I don't know. If someone know about massage in Ermita, please comment about ATM, BPI, okay, working BPI. We take a look, they said massage. Massage, of course it's not massage. How they do massage? And road works also here, take a look. Sometimes if I go here, I park my car in this area. I pay 20 peso only. 20 peso, 1 hour park, it's okay. Yeah, for 20 peso. I will go outside, another side of the road. Party, KTV. Music lounge.
KTV bar, boss.
KTV?
All you can, boss.
Okay,
Limited drinks, sir.
Okay, thank you. $7-Eleven. Another KTV. Romance KTV. Entrance 500 peso. Interesting. 500 peso only entrance. Chicken kebab. Haircut 200 peso. Shiha money exchange. US dollar 58.50. 58.50. Also 58.50 US dollar. Jeepney. See how jeepney full. Yeah, many people sit inside the jeepney and all have already space. Take a look. Mabini, East West Union Bank. Time now 7:28. Already close, of course. Dental clinic. Friday 7:30. Usually this time many people go to the home. But I try to walk and show to you what is this. Seafood grills. Seafood and grills. It's Arabian restaurant. Excuse me, Arabian restaurant? Yes. Okay. Seafood. Thank you. Arabian restaurant. Shawarma. 235 peso beef shawarma. Chicken 220 peso. Arabic beef shawarma. So chicken cheaper, 220. Hair salon, money and change. Also massage. And massage and money exchange together. TBI. Ой, so noisy, jeepney. How people sleep night time? Really, Manila so noisy. And I use now dead cat microphone. If I remove, that cat is so noisy. Cat sleep. Oh. Okay, I don't have clothes. From the side, music. City State Hotel. I remember before I stay in this hotel, City State. City State Tower Hotel. Some Gipsal party. Казино Филиппина. Another 7-Eleven. Oh, many people waiting. What is this? Street foods. Chicken in assault. Another side is Alpha Mart. And we see foreigners were already need to fast. I don't want, because sometimes children asking money. I want to show to you Barangay 668 zone. This is a Barangay Hall. Christmas tree. Oh, dog here. Dog, I don't want dog. He don't like dog. Okay. Jeepney. karaoke for Philippine people. Second-hand shop. Need another side. Another.
Ayun yung ilaw pala.
I don't know what is this. Again, another side. I didn't move many times. Duck till down bar. I see only one foreigner here walk. I remember this bar. I've been before. Monday promo, happy hour. I remember it 12 years ago with my friend. We staying with, been in this bar. Traffic, heavy traffic also. I already near Midnight Heaven. This is before LA Cafe. But now Midnight Heaven bar. What is this? What is hotel?
Yeah.
What name of hotel?
Bridgestone.
Bristol. Okay, thank you. Bristol. Bristol near Midnight Heaven. Midnight Heaven and have also hotel. And usually many girls near cafe, near this Midnight Heaven cafe. Take a look, don't have tourists and girls already, even outside, girls stand. Yes, they are outside. Maybe inside don't have people. Take a look, so many. 24 hours. 24 hours. Okay. Before LA Cafe, yeah? Okay, thank you. Sala Street. People eat here, dog waiting, rice, chicken, Okoyo King, karaoke also. Yes, it's for Christmas. Open. Korean rest. Seokchon. Empty Seokchon. Resto bar also empty. Laundry. It's barber shop. I see many Arabian people here. Look like Arabian street. Yes, many. Okay, I will go to another side. I don't want to, it's not safety for me. I don't want to go to the dark streets. Las Palmas. I stayed before in Las Palmas. In Riviera Mansion also I stayed before. I tried different hotels before here. Okay, go to another side. Okay. So many fruits. Yeah, with a Salt Hotel. I stayed before also. Riviera also. I forgot. In Riviera have bathtub. And I remember bathtub have in hotel. But old hotel. And everywhere asking about massage or KTV. Massage 24 hours. And the massage always many people. Ah, okay, thank you, KTV. Pink Lady KTV.
Karaoke, KTV,
Ah,
sir.
okay, thank you.
Take a look first.
Okay, thank you. Super Keiko. Ah, also yes, it's KTV. KTV?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
TV.
Ah, this is Playboy Club.
Yeah.
Ah, how much entrance?
Entrance is a 500.
500 entrance.
Unlimited drinks for 1 hour and a half.
Mhm.
And then if you want to request the lady, 500.
Ah,
If
okay.
you want to give drinks, another 500.
Mhm.
Plus tax and service charge, sir.
Okay.
28%.
Ah, okay. Many girls inside.
Yes.
Many girls. Okay. How long time can stay if pay for 500 peso
1
entrance?
hour and a half.
1.5 hour can
90
stay.
minutes.
90 minutes. I see beautiful girls.
Yeah, you try some.
No, I have wife and she wait me now. But I say to my friends, it's good here. So name of KTV, what name?
Playboy.
Playboy Club. Okay, okay, thank you very much. Really? Yeah.
How about this one?
No, thank you, thank you.
Sir.
No, really, I see girl. I don't want to focus to girl, but she say hi. Even she see camera, but I don't want. I don't want focus. But good looking, young. Zebra.
Sir, karaoke, sir.
Let's take a look.
KTV bar.
Ah, okay, thank you, zebra. It's new. I not seen before zebra. This is already seafood restaurant. Ah, full of people until 11 p.m. Until 11 p.m. working. I say to Shaira, if you want, we can stay in hotel. And next day also we will
Drinking only.
walk in Manila, because I also want to go to Burga Street, but already don't have time. Oh, it's a M Girls Music Lounge. No, thank you.
Right.
Uncle John. That's why we will go to home, because before Christmas it's not easy to travel. But nighttime, if you go to home nighttime, I think it's okay. Braza KTV bar. This is Braza. Braza, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Braza. Another KTV. Club 78. KTV Malate. KTV Malate.
They talk about what?
Parking also have. It's hotel parking. Regus, Hotel Regus.
Sir, karaoke bar.
No, no, thank you. No, not,
500 drinking, unlimited for 2 hours.
okay, thank you. No, not need.
Only. Checking only, no problem.
No, no, no,
If you
thank you.
don't like, it's okay. Checking for checking.
No, no, no.
Malaysian water.
Okay. Everywhere. Japanese KTV. Yes, Japanese. Captain's Nook restaurant. Filipino foods inside. Yeah, many people Filipino eating. Don't have tourists. Club Netherlands. Neverland Club. Ah, okay, thank you, thank you.
Just look.
No, no, no. Club Tiffany, Manila Crown Hotel. Okay. Crown Hotel, Roma. Standard 800 peso. How many hours? 4 hours. 24 hours. Deluxe is 2.5 and 2000 peso 22 hours. Not 23, 22 hours. Club Tiffany.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Restaurant.
Japanese restaurant. Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Only one Japanese guy sit inside. Don't have people, don't have tourists. Of course, people want to, I don't know what, first to maybe in home celebrate Christmas and New Year and travel later. I don't know. Post in comments who watch video, because in my opinion, few tourists want to go to travel before Christmas. Christmas is family time. For family. Take a look. Oh, girls, so many girls walking. Most of people already go to home. Upstage Gold. Close. Upstage. Shibuya. Shibuya. Japanese restaurant. What is V Hotel. Budget room is 980 peso only. Korean cafe shop. Another KTV. This is KTV for sale already. For sale, it's maybe not good business. Unlimited Korean barbecue. Oh, unlimited many people, many Filipino people sit inside. In another side, what is this? Malate Byway Mansion. Okay. Family KTV, many family KTV. Excuse me. Oh, I know this place. It's long time ago I traveled with my friends here. It's like bazaar. I think entrance, I don't know, for free maybe. Well, take a look, girl gives foods to this guy. Pizza. Pizza. It's good girl. Now, most of the Philippine people, they kind, they help each other. No, I try to go inside, but I not bring money. That's why if say entrance need to pay, I cannot go inside. I will ask first, of course. Сам гипсал тут в поте. Good is police here. Checkpoint, please slow down. Okay, I will slow down. A joke, of course. No, need car slowly drive. Because so many people. Ropopo, Hopop, I don't know what name. Okay, we'll check inside. Oh, FCR also. Guy will ask about go to KTV. No, thank you.
KTV bar.
No,
Really beautiful.
no, not need. KTV, not need. Okay, thank you. Okay, luxury JTV. At where entrance? I need again? No, I don't want. I don't want because noisy inside. It's street foods also. I not need it. I just want to show to you, but it's only street foods. Take a look. People sit inside, eat, and many street foods. I don't want to go inside. And copyright music also. This is Manila Ermita Police Station. Okay. For bus not easy to drive because need to turn. No, I don't want to go to this place, dark. What they sell here. You see how people live if go inside. Same like in China, some of place in China. Same in the Philippines. Here have foods. Electric not allowed from January 2. In Manila, everywhere in the Philippines. January 2 already banned. Yeah, better walk here. More light. More people walking. Police hotel. Empty already. Police. Tourist. Bus. Spa also, see spa. It's Filipino style. In China always the same. KTV, they drink outside. Same in the plastic table, plastic chair. Easy to clean. Asian massage. Korean dumplings. Golden shine. It's massage also. What is parking? I will ask. Excuse me, is this parking? Parking or not? It's not parking?
It's not parking.
Okay, thank you. It's not parking. Maybe for hotel. But we use taxi right now because I don't like drive in Manila. But in taxi from Mall of Asia to Malate, Robinson Malate, I pay 426 peso. Usually I pay about 250, 200. But now it's Christmas sales. Expensive Christmas sales. What is this? KTV or not? It's not KTV. It's police, barangay police. Barangay 76. I'm already far and I need to come back to McDonald's near Robinson, Malate. Already far from Robinson. Here already don't have tourists. Children play. Dogs sleep. Jollibee. Oh, Jollibee full of people. Take a look. So many people in Jollibee. Street foods. Okay, we'll show this road to you. It's like party. If go straight, it's already Robinson. A little bit far, but it's popular street also. For Philippine people, popular. Tourists, I think, not going to this road. I see we dance also. For old people. Oh, good. Retire, people retire. Sing song, usually dance. Yeah, it's good. Good for exercise. And guys, I use camera. I not hide camera. I always hold my camera in front of me and talk also now. Everyone see camera. No one who say to me not filming and bad words. Everywhere say hi, and everywhere everyone say hi and not hiding. It's not same like in the Balibagu. In Balibagu, some of the strange people, I don't know why. Yeah, so many, you see. People is drink in the bar, drinking. Most of Philippine people stay here for drinking. I already walk there. Yeah, many people go to the karaoke party. Old and young, We go with family. I think safety here. If you're not drunk and if you not talk not good with people, you will be safety here. I always walk and you already see how I talk with people and say thank you, not need like this. I never say bad words. I never say not good to people. We live here. I know culture of the Philippines. I will wait. Yes, need slowly because it's, you know why. When first time I arrived Philippines, I think no, I need to buy car. I don't want to use tricycle. I don't want. It's better for me. Everywhere I use car. In China I own my car. In the Philippines many times I also own. You can own car. You can buy to your own name. Okay, I will go to another side. Okay, street foods also. Mami. It's foods Filipino. Filipino street foods. Of course, rice. Yeah, I like this one. That's good. But I cannot buy right now because I not bring money. 24 hours. Korean traditional foods. Галим Korean ресторан. Unlimited meat. Интересен. Meat unlimited. Also outside street foods. We need to go to straight. Maybe 1 kilometer more. It's okay, I like walk. I don't want to sit. Long time sit, I don't like. I'm always not understand who sit, for example, in the bar 3, 5, 6 hours. I don't know. Maybe they talk each other, I don't know, but only sit not interesting for me. I want to do something. If I am in home, I know what I can do in home. If I am outside, better walk, not sit. Shaira the same. Shaira cannot stay in one place. Oh, you see. Christmas mega sale. Oh, children. Mega sale. Room for rent, take a look. It's room for rent. I will check. Look for Kuya Pax. So Kuya Pax have room for rent. Interesting. How much? How much room for rent? Or maybe for Filipino only. I never been inside before. Kuya Pax. Room for rent. Aircon, not aircon. Excuse me, Kuya Pax, who is? Room for rent, room for rent.
Kuya Pax is vacation to.
Vacation, but maybe you know how much here room. Aircon.
13,000.
30,000 1 month.
Yes.
Already including aircon, electric or not?
One room, 7 to 8,000.
7 to 8,000 for electric, need additional pay.
No vacant. No.
Don't have already.
No vacant.
Okay, thank
No
you.
vacant.
Oh, already full of already.
Yes.
Very good, because location good.
You Robinson, you vacant.
Yes, I go. Okay, thank you, guy. Not available. Already room not available. Christmas. 30,000. Oh, expensive because maybe Manila. I'm already near billiard. Oh, have billiard here. This is cafe shop or what is this? Ah, it's cafe shop. Not. Billiard, 250 1 hour. Bar and rest, I don't know where. Okay. 250 1 hour for playing billiard. Okay. Walking the road, no light. I already see the Robinson. It's 300 meters to Robinson. And turn left. And Shira wait me in McDonald's, so I want drink where I want. Maybe I will buy an McDonald's drinks and order grab, come back to Mall of Asia. And maybe we will walk a little bit in Mall of Asia and go into home. Maybe if so late, maybe not so traffic. Here, take a look also here, street foods. Oh, let I walk here. Oh, I walk a little bit for, I will show to you what we sell. But for Christmas gifts. Yes, this is bag. This is from China. Before I order in China so many containers for Christmas, for New Year also. Tempered glass, everything from China, guys. It's all everything. Yeah, hi. Okay, I don't want to walk already. Need to come back to the McDonald's. Also, I order costume from Santa Claus before. I have many businesses in China. Even now I have. Taxi, Lady Queen taxi name. Time now 8:20. IK until 10 p.m. SM Clark or SM Mall of Asia. I don't know when close. Maybe same 10. I see turning and not show turning light. I don't know why. А who turning light go to straight? Interesting. So who drive car understand me? You just only need more attention. More attention and you can use car. Not problem. China the same. China more. What is this? More problem for drive car. Because in China so many electric bikes in the road. Shira maybe already worry about me because long time I walk. Hey, it's okay. McDonald's for her is safety. She work in McDonald's. Security already, she talk with security. I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't know what she want. Already message to me. In my watch I have message from Shira. Because I used to watch Samsung and for Samsung and Apple also. And we're going to McDonald's. Girls for massage. Massage girls. Where Shira? Shira, say hi. How are you? Scared? Oh, Shira, cold here, really cold. Oh, good. Maybe I've maybe 7 kilometers walk already. Yeah, so many. But I not always filming. Sometimes a dark place. I just only walk, not talk, not filming. Some of people thinking, oh, maybe not safety. How not safety? I not. I good talk with people. Even when I talk with me, I say sorry, not need like this. I not say bad words. Yes, but some of
But we have what is this one who message us always in Gmail.
Shaira won't say about one guy. Maybe we will make video about him. Shaira very stressed because Shaira sometimes I edit video, sometimes she edit video, sometimes I reply to comment about who not comment in the email. Sometimes she, if I'm busy, she reply to someone who want to blur face, and this time she very shocked. Really, I will ask her. Shaira, what kind of what I don't understand? You explain.
I think this who messaged us is a he said that can you remove me in the video? It's the first we just message. He messaged to us like, can you remove my face there? I'm gonna sue you like this. But I seen it's from IRL. And then again, and he said, I have friend lawyer from the Quezon City. He is foreigner. And she said, I will gonna sue you, and you don't know the rules. I don't like this people who message to us like, I'm gonna sue you. I know the rules here. What the hell? Who are you? And then he said that you need to stop filming in what is this Angeles. Who are you to stop? Who say to us to stop in Angeles?
Wait, Shaira. So he asking us to stop filming in Angeles, not a walking street. He's talk about Angeles City, and he said not to filming in Angeles City. Who this guy? Why he need to say to people not filming in Angeles City? Because he sit in the Philly sports bar and he don't want if someone walk with camera. But we always to blur face if someone need. And what he say to you again?
Then he
Because I
said-
not read, I don't know some of
And he
phone, I
said
see-
like, I'm gonna call my what is this? I'm gonna call my friend from Quezon City who's lawyer. But he said that I seen my friend in the video. I will gonna sue you. Like, I want to say some bad word, but I cannot say here. But he's like, he's not the one who is the video.
We will take Grab now and go into the Mall of Asia again.
So we need to take some grab and go to MOA,
Yes.
Mall of Asia. It means.
Yeah, we will go to Mall of Asia, take Grab, and Mall of Asia. I don't know, maybe we will take video or not. I think enough video you already watch. Interesting video. Or maybe for you not interesting. I don't know. Who like girls, who like walking street, for you not interesting, not need watch. Who normal people, who only want just watch how people live. Life in the Philippines. You can watch anything, not only walking street. I don't want walk in walking street. If I walk Fields Avenue, just only streets. That's why. Okay, thank you for watching. Shaira, what need to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat. And if someone don't like our video or channel, just unsubscribe. And I don't want some stress because of haters and in the Philippines.